Hi, first grade. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. So, today we are going to talk a little bit more about informative paragraphs. And so far, we've taken a look at the sandwich or hamburger organizer, and we've talked about the main parts that make up an informative paragraph. But today, we are going to focus on just one of those parts, and we'll spend some time, looking at each one of the parts a little bit more closely to help us as readers and as writers when we are reading informative paragraphs, but also writing our own informative paragraphs. So think about the sandwich organizer in your head, the bread, the meat and cheese, or the lettuce and tomato part, and then the other piece of bread. And do you remember what those three parts are in an informative paragraph? I'll give you a second to think about it. Okay, I'm going to move this down. Yeah, the first piece of bread, if you said a topic statement or a topic sentence, sometimes you might hear people say that, you would be correct. The first piece of bread at the top is the topic statement. And then do you remember what comes next? Yeah, all the facts, the details, the information, the specific details about the topic. And then what is at the end? What is that last piece of bread? And what comes at the end of an informative paragraph? Do you remember? Yeah, that's right. A conclusion or a conclusion sentence. You have got it. That's right. Those are the three main parts of a good informative paragraph, a well written informative paragraph. And we talked before about how having these three parts helps us as the reader to understand when we do read an informative paragraph. Okay, this is what the topic is about. These are the specific details and facts. Now the author is wrapping up the paragraph with their conclusion. So as readers, we know what to look for and it helps us understand. But as writers, knowing these parts and taking a look at them closely helps us just as much as a writer to be able to organize our writing, organize the information, and put it together in a way that helps our readers understand. So, as both a reader and a writer, learning about informative paragraphs is important. So, today we are going to focus on the first part, the topic statement or the topic sentence, and think about what is the job of the topic statement or sentence. So, what do you think? What do you think is the job or the purpose of having a topic statement? I'll let you think about that for a minute. Yeah, so if you were thinking about this, the job of the topic statement is to tell what the main topic of the paragraph is about, you would be right. And that's one of the big jobs, the major jobs of the topic statement is to tell the reader what the paragraph is going to be about, what the topic of the paragraph is. But topic statements also have some other jobs. The other job that the topic statement has is that they want to get the reader interested in wanting to read the paragraph, right? They might include interesting words or something that is going to kind of capture the reader's attention or get the reader's attention so that the reader thinks, oh, that looks pretty interesting. I think I want to continue reading this because I want to learn a little bit more about that. So just like maybe a commercial that you see on TV that tries to grab your attention and say, this is the best toy, this is the most fun toy. They have, exciting words, maybe fun, happy music. It's meant to grab your attention. That is the same as with a topic statement, that we want the reader to be interested in reading the rest of the paragraph. Okay, so again, the job of the topic statement or sentence is to tell what the main topic of the paragraph is, but it also has the job of trying to be interesting and catching the reader's attention by using interesting words or saying something that gets the reader to think like, huh, that's interesting. I want to read more. So let's look at an example of an informative paragraph, but it's missing the topic statement. And in our activity today, you are going to be choosing what you think is the best topic statement for this paragraph. And when you're making that choice and thinking about, what would be a good topic statement, think about those things we just talked about. Think about the job of the topic statement. You can kind of go through a little checklist in your head before you choose the best statement. Ask yourself, is this telling me about the main topic of this paragraph? And is it making the reader interested in wanting to read the rest of the paragraph? Does it have some interesting words? Does it have something that kind of catches the reader's attention? Okay. All right. So here is the paragraph. I'm going to read it to you and start just thinking about on your own, what is this paragraph mainly about, or what is it all about? A blue whale uses its tongue like a scoop to get food. Giraffes can scratch and lick their faces with their long tongues. A forked tongue snake uses its tongue to smell. Some animals use their tongues in special ways. Okay, so I'm noticing that, of course, as I mentioned, this paragraph does not have a topic statement. It goes right into the details. And what is this paragraph about? Yeah, it's about ways that different animals use their tongue. So it's not just about one animal. It's not just about a whale or a giraffe. It mentions a couple of different animals. And the main point and what connects all of the details is that these animals use their tongues in different ways. So let's take a look at some possible topic statements and see if you can figure out what you think would be the best topic statement for this paragraph. Animals use their tongues. Some animals have amazing tongues. Some animals have tiny tongues. So let's hop over to Seesaw so that I can show you exactly what your activity will look like and what you're going to do. So give me 1 second. All right. Hey, everybody. We're over on Seesaw. So when you tap Add, you will see this page. And I know there's a lot of writing here, but I'll explain it. So this is the paragraph right here in the box that we just read. A blue whale uses its tongue to scoop like a scoop to get food. Giraffes can scratch and lick their faces with their long tongues. A forked tongue snake uses its tongue to smell. Some animals use their tongues in special ways. And then down below here are the 3 possible topic statements that could be used for this paragraph. And what you want to decide is which of these topic statements would be the best topic statement for this paragraph. And just keep thinking about the job of the topic sentence or topic statement. It has to tell the reader what the paragraph is about, what the topic of the paragraph is, but it also should try to catch the reader's attention by using some interesting words or some way of getting the reader's attention and getting the reader to say, that looks pretty interesting. I want to keep reading. So see what you think, and you can just use the pen tool and you can circle whichever one you think makes the best topic statement for this paragraph. And we can't wait to see what you think. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need help with anything, and keep up the great work. You're doing a great job. And just keep thinking about, and we're going to keep talking about this quite a bit, but why is writing a topic sentence or topic statement important? Think back to what job it serves and why it would be important. And we'll keep talking more about that. All right. I will see everybody soon. Have a great rest of your day and keep up the great work.